What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here with your boy Cookie Crumble, which is literally not visible in the shot right now, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, today I asked you guys to send me some questions for the new QnA V2. So these are all the questions you guys sent me, hopefully some good ones. I know it's not gonna be too juicy, which is great. So yeah, let's get started.
Why do you live in Brampton?
Wait, that was a question? You sure? Yo, it's cheap in Brampton. It's trash in Brampton. I need to move very soon. Probably move to Toronto next year. But yeah, it's cheap here. Yeah, that's why I live in Brampton.
What are your top 2 or 3 things on your bucket list of things to do in 2019?
You actually have a bucket list? To be honest, I don't have a bucket list, but yeah, I wanted to go to the Travis Scott concert. I went to that one. There's nothing too crazy. I wanted to do snowboarding as well, so that might be one, but it's almost spring, so summertime, so I don't know. It always snows in Canada though, so probably it's still a possibility. And that's it. I don't really have to be honest, but yeah. Next question.
Do you still really enjoy Apple products?
Yeah, of course. Looking forward to the new iPhone. Samsung came out with a sick phone, the Galaxy S10. So hopefully Apple tries to top that one. But yeah, I still love Apple products. I have my Apple Watch, iPhone, AirPods. It's amazing. So yeah, Apple products all the way.
How do you transfer video or pictures from your iPhone to your Mac, or from your Mac to your iPhone?
Okay. There's this thing called a USB cable. You get the USB cable, you plug it into your iPhone, you plug the other end into the laptop, and iTunes will pop up, then you just transfer it. It's that simple. Yo.
How are you?
That's a question? No, for real? Alright, how are you? I'm good, I'm fine, chilling. Next question.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
Alright, I'm from Mandeville, Manchester.
Can you do a review of the iPhone 7 in 2019?
Alright.
How does it compare to the X Max?
Alright, so the iPhone 7 in 2019, that sounds like a good video idea. I think my cousin have an iPhone 7. I probably will try that out, and how it compares to the iPhone XS Max, that's a huge difference, 3 years apart. So yeah, the iPhone XS is a way better phone, better display, better battery life, better camera. Overall, just a way better device compared to the iPhone 7. The iPhone 7 probably be slower by now, and also the battery life is probably deteriorating. So yeah, iPhone XS is way better than the iPhone 7, and I'll probably do a review of the iPhone 7 in 2019.
When are you doing a giveaway?
Ain't no giveaway around here, boy. Next. Alright, but yeah, I don't know. I'll probably do a giveaway when I reach 50k subscribers. Probably AirPods giveaway or something. Nothing too crazy, Man starving out here, you feel me?
What is your favorite app for your phone? And what do you think of the hole punch display in the S10?
Alright, so the favorite app, I don't know. Favorite app on my phone, probably my Gmail app, because I don't know, there's just a lot of emails, companies. I love looking, Reddit. Reddit is probably my favorite app on my iPhone because, yeah, everybody know what Reddit does. So yeah, that's my favorite app. And I think the hole punch displays, the new wave, it's pretty cool. It's better than the notch in my opinion, because the notch really gets into the way of your iPhone display. So having that hole punch in the top right, it's kind of cool, seamless, and it doesn't take up much of the screen real estate.
Who's the best duo partner, Ace or Bombshell?
I might have to say Bombshell still. No. Well, Bombshell is probably a better player, but when me and Ace play, we're always clutch, we'll get more wins. So yeah, I'd probably say Ace for best duo partner, but Bombshell for the better player overall.
Do Jailbreak on iPhone allow the Bluetooth transfer of files, pics,
I know what you mean.
apps, and songs?
I get it. So I haven't really found any tweak that does that, but basically everybody know iPhone, you can't transfer music through Bluetooth, you can't really transfer pictures. What you have to use is AirPlay, but you still can't transfer music. So basically in 2019, nobody like goes around trying to send songs through Bluetooth anymore. That was like way back in 2002 or something. Now we just stream music from YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music. So yeah, I hope that answers your question.
Yo, bro, you know the best way to jailbreak my 8 Plus?
Go on YouTube, type in how to jailbreak iPhone 8 Plus, and I'm sure you'll find a way, bro.
Favorite sport teams?
Favorite sports teams? Alright, football, as in soccer, as they call it. It would be Manchester United and Juventus. Basketball, anywhere LeBron goes, so I have to say Lakers for now, but it's kind of trash. So, I don't know. It's not looking too good over the Lake side, bruh. But yeah, that's for Lakers. That's for basketball. I don't really watch no other sport, to be honest. Soccer, basketball. Yeah, that's it. I understand. So how do you get products? Basically, when I just started out YouTube, like I used to email a lot of companies, try to get products, and then it wasn't working out too well. So I started to just review products around the house. Like anything I found around the house. If it's a pencil sharpener, I review the sharpener. Until my channel started to grow and then companies started to get to me. So you just need to put your email address on a YouTube channel in the about section, and then surprisingly a lot of companies will start to email you about products. And if I was to make a phone with a company, I'll probably try to make one with OnePlus. Yeah.
If you had to choose a phone company to collaborate with to make a phone, what would you choose? And what would the name of the phone?
The name of the phone would be Chevy. It's tough. It just has to be Chevy, bro. Chevy 3G, Chevy 4G, something like that. It has to be Chevy. And I said before, OnePlus.
Alright. What do you do during your free time?
Man, I have to say Apex, Fortnite, video editing, Shopify, photo editing, take videos, pictures, wash dishes, which is just tough. We have to wash dishes, so yeah.
What is your favorite device by Apple?
AirPods.
For real?
Yeah. Yo, the AirPods sick, bro.
Not the phone?
Nah.
What do you mean
I could use any phone, bro. But the AirPods, not like... A phone is a phone, but the AirPods is just something else, bro.
How do you balance studies on and YouTube?
It's a lot of discipline to know and to prioritize the difference between when to make a video and when to study. But I'm not the type of person that literally comes home and studies every day. I normally study like 3 weeks before an exam or something like that. So it's pretty easy for me to balance my YouTube and studying.
What do you plan on studying?
Advertising and marketing, which I'm already studying.
What made you start YouTube? I know it's a very broad question, but I want to know. Thanks.
How did I start YouTube?
What made you start YouTube?
What made me start YouTube? Basically, my friend wanted to... There was something wrong with his iPad, and my sister had an iPad, and I started recording my sister's iPad, showing him how to fix his iPad. I sent him, and I was like, yo, this looks just like a YouTube video. And I was like, for real? And he said, yeah. Then I uploaded it to YouTube. He got like 10K views. And then I was like, shit, I'm onto something right here. So then I started uploading to YouTube, and yeah.
How old are you? And are you still friends with your buddies back in 6th form that you showed in your vlogs in 2016?
Oh, that like Shevon, Aaron, everybody. Yeah, we're still close friends. Even though everyone like dispersed off to different countries and stuff like that, we're still close friends. But I'm 16.
What's better, skiing or snowboarding?
What? How am I supposed to know that?
What do you rather?
Snowboarding look lit still. Skiing kind of look kind of handicapped, so I'm gonna have to go for snowboarding.
What do you get handicapped?
Yo, skiing like you have two things, bro, and sticks. Like what the?
What, when the sticks are pretty though?
I know, but it just look dumb. Like it better you just on the snowboard chilling, bro. Snowboarding looks cooler, so snowboarding.
How tall are you?
Like 5'11". Yeah. Wait, how tall are you now? 6? Yo. Man, 6 foot then.
I got measured too.
You taller than me?
I don't think so. I think you're both the same size. No, you're the same size.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot. Yo, this nigga was way shorter than me, bro. Like a couple months ago. When you get measured?
The last time at school, we had to get measured for some next thing.
Yo, I'm 6 foot. It's tough.
I have an iPhone 7 Plus. My screen is cracked. Should I upgrade to the XS now, or just wait till the new release in September?
I'll just wait to the new iPhone. To be honest, the XS is not really worth it. I mean, a couple months down the road we'll have a revolutionary iPhone, so I definitely wait for the new iPhone instead of upgrading. Just drop on a screen protector, bro, and hope for the best, you know? That's it? Alright, that's the end of the video. You wanna show yourself? Clout. So, Instagram shout out, nothing? Alright, shout out to Instagram, bro. Cookie Crumble, he asks all the questions. Big shout out to him. Okay guys, but before you go, I want to give a huge thanks to Parcel for sponsoring today's video. I'm always happy to share useful information with you guys, and I thought you'd find this one very helpful. So Parcel is a community-based service that helps users like me and you who shop online regularly to get goods shipped out to you that do not ship internationally. So if you're shopping on a website that says no international shipping and only ships to the US, you could use Parcel. I'll have the links down below in the description. They'll get the goods shipped to you very fast. And if you're not sold on this, Trustpilot rated this company at 8.7 out of 10. So it's very good if you shop online every time and there's certain products that you can't get just because it does not ship internationally. Parcel have you covered. So the links for everything will be down below in the description. And yeah, as always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.